Welcome to my channel, iGallery.
Before you begin, discharge your iPhone battery below 25%. A charged lithium-ion battery can catch fire and or explode if accidentally punctured. Opening the iPhone's display will compromise its waterproof seals. Replacement seals ready before you proceed past this step. Remove the two 6.7mm long pentalobe screws at the bottom edge of the iPhone. Slide the opening pick around the lower corner and up the left edge of the iPhone, slicing through the adhesive holding the display in place. Don't insert your pick more than 3mm, as you may damage internal components. The top edge of the display is secured with both glue and clips. Gently pull the right edge of the display down slightly in the direction of the lightning port. Insert your pick into the top right corner of the phone. Open the iPhone by swinging the display up from the left side, like the back cover of a book. Don't try to fully separate the display yet, as several fragile ribbon cables still connect it to the iPhone's logic board. Prop the display up against something sturdy. Unscrew the logic board cover screws. Use a Y000 driver to remove the 5 1.1mm screws, securing the logic board cover bracket. Remove the bracket. Use a spudger or a fingernail to disconnect the LCD panel cable connector. Disconnect the digitizer connector next to it. Attach the new or connect the new screen LCD to the iPhone to verify whether the new screen is OK or not. This is JK in cell screen. Unscrew the front assembly. Remove 4 screws securing the speaker, sensor assembly. 3 1.6mm Phillips screws. 1 1.3mm Y000 screw. Flip the speaker assembly over. Use the point of a spudger to gently pry up the top edge of the speaker. The speaker remains attached via very thin ribbon cables. Be careful not to strain or damage the cables. Place back the ambient light sensor bracket. And screw back all the screws back in its place.
Please subscribe my channel for more and more repair videos. Thanks for watching.